Pickling tank, made of PP board, corrosion resistance, long service life. Hot water tank removes the acid on the hand mold to prevent acid and alkali neutralization. Alkali tank removes stains from hand molds. Disc brush, the brush rotates to remove stains from the surface of the hand mold. Horizontal brush mainly clean the stains left between the fingers of the hand model. Hot water tank soaks the hand model to increase the temperature of the hand model. Drying oven, dry the water stains on the surface of the hand mold and raise the temperature of the hand mold. Coagulant tank, hand mold impregnating coagulant, convenient nitrile latex on the hand mold film and glove release. Coagulant oven, drying the coagulant on the hand mold to avoid the dilution of the latex, but also in order to better uniform absorption of the latex on the hand mold. Nitrile latex tank, nitrile glove raw materials, carboxyl nitrile latex, auxiliary materials after good vulcanization enough time after delivery to the tank for use. Latex oven, drying and solidifying the surface of nitrile latex on the hand mold surface. Nitrile latex tank, double dipping used for high weight gloves. Nitrile latex oven after second dipping. Leaching tank. Soak the latex on the hand mold to remove surface proteins and chemical residues and remove the odor of gloves. Hand mold drain and dry water. Machine. The glove on the hand model is cooled, easy to wear, not easy to tear. Hot water to wash the hand, so that the temperature of the hand mold. Main oven. Gloves are baked at high temperature in the oven, so that the gloves are thoroughly dried and baked. Hot water tank. Soak glove surface residue after coming out of the main oven. Remove odors and reduce hand mold temperature. Gloves a powder-free process, making gloves smooth and easy to wear. Dry gloves moisture. Pre-release, roll the glove on the hand model to the wrist. Demolding machine, automatic demolding, remove the glove on the hand model to the finger. Machine, automatic counting, can set the number of a pile. The number reaches the automatic output to the packaging belt.